How to customize your Claude appearance. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll give you some of the tips and config settings using which you can customize the appearance of your Claude. So in order to start, the first thing that we're going to do is simply navigate to the settings of our Claude account. So to do that, click onto your profile at the bottom left corner of the screen, and then from here choose the settings option. Now this will launch the settings page, and from here under the general simply scroll down, and from here you have the appearance or the customizations for the appearance of your Claude. Now it includes basically just three settings. The first one is a color mode or the theme, so you can switch between light, automatic and permanent dark mode. Then you have the background animations, so if you wish to enable the background animations you can enable them, but if you would like to save on the bandwidth of your own computer you can simply disable them, or you can choose them to auto as well. Then you have the chat font. Currently it is set to default, but if you wish you can also change the font of your chats in Claude. So these are pretty much the only basic appearance settings that you can configure in your Claude. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.